Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Shweta Shekhar, and thank you so much, Akshay, for this wonderful introduction. And I graciously welcome you all to the installation ceremony of the office bearers and board of directors for Rajasthan Cosmo Club Magnum 2021. Welcoming you all for this wonderful day, wonderful evening. I know amidst all this crazy confusion of COVID and the pandemic, and so many people losing their lives and having their tough moments. I think these are smaller things, smaller moments that we can enjoy. And let's celebrate the next 1.5 hours in complete happiness and forget just everything that's going on around us. I'm so proud to be here today evening. And first, I would like we all generally do, let's go ahead and play the Ganesh Vandana. But the speciality about this Ganesh Vandana is that it's going to be played by Arav Kumbat on the piano, and he's going to be playing it blindfolded. And he is the son of Mr. Rohit and Miss Sonia Kumbat. Please bring your hands together for lovely Arav with the Ganesh Vandana.
Today I am going to play Jai Ganesh Deva blindfolded. Hope you all enjoy. Let's go. Thank you. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Arav. I think that was a phenomenal performance, and what's even more beautiful is the lovely personality. Bahut khoob. It was so nice. And next, I would like to call upon Ms. Sneha Varun Jain, who I personally know for many years, and I'm super happy to present to you all her Navkar Mantra performance in the form of a dance. She's also the lady president. Console.
किसने लाखों को तारा, किस
Thank you very much, Neha. That was a wonderful performance, and I think we've felt very solemn and beautiful today, this evening. And we have started it off with such a beautiful bang with two lovely performances in the form of devotional songs. And now I would like to call upon Mr. Navneet Botra, who's the past secretary, who's going to be giving us the report for the past year. So I request Mr. Navneet Botra's video to be played by the console.
My dear RCC Council members, fellow Magnamites, and distinguished guests, I'm delighted to be with you this evening, and it gives me immense pleasure to share my joy as a secretary. What a journey it has been! The long calls, endless discussions, regular meetings, consistent planning, and finishing each event with perfection. It has been one amazing experience to savor and cherish. My sincere gratitude to each team member who has helped me sail through this entire journey smoothly. And special thanks to Vinay Loda and Ramesh Surana for having given me this opportunity to serve as a secretary. Yes, it has been one exciting and yet extremely challenging year for all of us. We did face unprecedented times, but knew we weren't going to allow any virus to dampen our spirits. We knew it was time for us to buckle up, look beyond our comfort zones, and continue delivering the best possible to our members. Well, we did get locked up inside our homes, but we weren't locked up on creativity. While we couldn't meet in person and share fan times, we quickly resorted to online Zoom events to ensure our members continue to have their share of entertainment. It was definitely a new experience for all of us, but we had to rock it. From the month April to November, we had almost 20 online events in 8 months. That's like almost close to what we planned roughly in 1 year. From games to musical challenges, Zumba classes to quizzes, workshops and stand up comedy, motivational coaches to inspirational personalities. We had it all, and there was literally nothing that we left out. And it was only in the month of December that we said to the virus ki, Abhi bas bhi corona. We finally decided to have our first offline intra club sports event, cricket, participated by close to 60 members, followed by a never to be forgotten event at GRT Radisson Hotel, Mahabalipuram. Close to 90 odd members showed trust in us and made the event a grand success. And at the end of the day 2 event, none of us were infected or carriers of the virus, but only carriers of trust and hope to continue with more offline events. Then there was no going back to the online events. Next, we had the Badminton Premier League, where we had our members showing their skills and smashing away the COVID fear. With all safety measures in place, we knew we had regained the confidence of all members. We followed up with a table tennis tournament, indoor cricket matches, and various events like Shudh Desi Romance, an event where we saw members bond better with their spouses, and business networking session by Dilip Krishna, all of which were well participated and appreciated by members. We had a blast of a time in the month of March this year. A 2-day gala staycation was organized at ITC Grand Chola, which had the Madrasinas spring to life. And not to forget the last event, Mother and Child Holi celebration, where children had as much fun as the mothers. Well, there were close to 11 offline events with varied interest, genre, and motives. But beyond all the hardship, all the challenges and hard work, just one emotion which shone out of the others, joy. Throughout the year, no matter what the event was, we only strived to share some happiness and delight, especially in such testing times. While we were high on the entertainment event throughout the year, we also ensured we made a difference to the society. The Tally Learn to Earn was an event with a social cause. Close to 50 students were taught to use the program, and at the end of the course were not just promised but also placed in comfortable jobs. We couldn't have been happier in being instrumental towards a better future. Finally, like they say, no man is an island. None of these events would have happened without the support of our committee members. They have been a big part of the success, and I am fortunate enough to be backed by such proactive and dedicated team who helped me make every event a massive hit. Above all, my heartfelt gratitude to my family for not minding my absence and my beloved wife, Sonam, and little champ Neil and Vian for their unwavering support this journey. And having said that no man is an island, let's hope and pray that the year that follows is safe enough for the upcoming team to plan a trip to some exotic island soon. And before we dream about our holiday on the island, let's take a quick look at the memories we made this year. Thank you.
So as Navneet said, we'd probably go back and look at the video of last year memories.
Baby, you're my top tucker. Top tucker. Show boy Badshah.
खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तपता बोगीटों में रंग है आज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा
मेरी तकती है तेरी चाहिए पनाह तेरी ये कैसे मैं बताऊं तुझे सोती नहीं आंखें मेरी कटती नहीं
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदे हर मैदान फतेह
हर हर मैदान फतेह हर हर मैदान फतेह
I think you'll have had such amazing memories, wonderful memories. So I can see your chat boxes. I know that you're not actually able to interact with me, but I can see your chat boxes. And Navneet, that was a wonderful speech. Thank you very much for coming over and giving us everything. And these memories that are seen in these videos, in this particular video that I saw, I think it's wonderful. Despite the pandemic, you'll have achieved so much. It's so beautiful. And it's very encouraging, especially when there are kids, there are spouses, everybody's working towards a particular goal. Despite work, you're actually spending more time with RCC, and this bonding is almost like family. I'm sure you'll agree. But to make this a little more informal, a little more fun, I'd also want you all, please put it on the chat box, if any of you or your friends are okay to sing a song for us in some time from now. Please type the names of people who are probably good and who would like to sing probably. Yes, Nikhil. So someone's saying Nikhil. Nikhil, please keep waiting. And can you please also type his Zoom name so that we can pin him. So Nikhil has got lot of votes. Mr. Kuldeep Nahar is here. Kuldeep Nahar, Mr. Siddharth Mehra. All right, we'll pick you one by one slowly because there are a lot of awards here waiting. There are also going to be a couple of small Bollywood kind of quiz questions that you can answer and win some amazing vouchers. We actually have 4 big vouchers to be given away for Amazon vouchers with worth 500 rupees each. So you should be here. Do not leave and focus. Okay, only Nikhil. So this Nikhil, what's his last name? Nikhil what? So that we can actually pin him on. That's you. Okay, Nikhil Jain. Got it. So we got you. Be ready, be prepared for a song in some time from now. And next we move on to the award session, one of the most important sessions of today's evening, because giving an award is always a beautiful incentive. It makes you work towards something much harder, and being recognized for something is a very natural human habit to feel happy and proud about. So let's move on to the first award for the evening, Magnemite Male, and the award goes to Dr. Mohit Mutha. You're a doctor?
Yes,
Oh, all right. So you, what kind of a doctor?
basically I'm a dentist.
Oh, you're a dentist. All right.
Maximization profit on the platform.
All right. That's nice. So what is it that you were given this award for?
You know, from last year we are facing pandemic
Yes.
of COVID-19. So during those times, Magnum has given me opportunity to serve people who are in need for any support medically, so that they are guided in the right direction of the treatment line.
Okay.
So basically, my work was that. Hope I have fulfilled all the work.
So you were working super hard.
Yeah,
That is nice. And
trying to
congratulations.
work hard.
And yes, and all the best to you. I wish you work very hard and you party much harder. But a lot of best wishes and good wishes. I think doctors and all kinds of doctors are currently running the world today. They are the gods for us. So my best wishes to you, and I'm sure there are thousands of blessings on your head right now. Thank you very much for joining us, and congratulations again.
Hopefully, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And next, the award is Magnemite Female, and the award goes to Miss Ritu Aditya Baradia. Unfortunately, Miss Ritu is unable to join us, but we all wish her. I think you all can send in your congratulations on the chat box to Miss Ritu, so in case she sees it at some point, she'll probably be able to go back and reminisce. Next, the Magnemite Couple Award. Any guesses, people? Chat box. Any guesses? Me. Nikhil. Nikhil is you alone will get a couple award as well. Ritu is here. All right. Ritu is here. Congratulations, Ritu. Ritu, are you here? All right. So the Magnemite Couple Award goes to Mr. Siddharth and Miss Abhilasha Bhandari. There was no. Okay, so unfortunately, I think even they are not present here. Can we get Ritu back? Okay, all right. If we can, we'll at the end of the whole thing, we'll try and get Ritu back. But Mr. Siddharth and Abhilash are also not here, and they're getting the Couple Magnemite Award. And next award is the Magnemite Star Kid, and it goes to Master Rayansh Mehta, who's the son of Siddharth and Komal Mehta. Can we have Rayansh here, please? Hi, Rayansh. How are you? You're good?
I'm fine.
You're fine? My God, you
Yes.
have such a big award in your hand.
Yes.
Is that heavier than you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Is that heavier than you? Oh, you
No.
can carry it? Wow, that's so beautiful. Congratulations. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
Thank you, ma'am.
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
हाँ.
क्यों मिला आपको ये अवार्ड?
हाँ. ये मैंने वो अचीव किया.
Achieve किया. Wow, that's good. Look at the kids of these days. Achieve किया मैंने. Very nice. Thank you, Riyansh, for joining us. बोलिए.
Thank you, RCC Magnum, for giving me this wonderful trophy. And it's a great honor for me that champions keep practicing until they get it right.
Of course they do.
So I also practice again and again because I am a champion.
Yes, you are a champion. I think he deserves a big round of applause. You can stand right at your seats and applaud for this sweetheart of a boy. Thank you very much, Riyansh. And you are a champion. You will always be a champion. Yes? Yes?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Yes.
I think Riyansh is such a sweet kid, so beautifully spoke. And next we have the Magnemite Sportsman Award, and this goes to any guesses? Sportsman, who according to you has been the best sportsman? Chat box. Everything is Nikhil. Nikhil is owning today. I'm checking the chat box. Any idea? Okay, so the winner is Mr. Devesh Tater. Wow. So what sports do you play?
Majorly, I play badminton and cricket.
Badminton and cricket. So what did you get this award for?
Maybe I was the best player in this year.
In both sports?
Hopefully.
Okay, very nice. Congratulations, Devesh. And may you play a lot more
Thank you.
sports as well. Do you have something
you
to
so
say
much.
to the RCC?
I would like to thank all the RCC members, the president, and the secretary for selecting me for this award. I was even surprised when I got this trophy at my home. Suddenly, someone called up, my dad called me up that something we have got from the Magnum Club. Then Mr. President called me up. Then he told me that you have been awarded for the Sportsman Award for the last year. I would like to thank everyone for presenting me this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Devesh, for joining us. And good luck for
you.
the rest of the year.
Thank you.
Next, we move on to the next award, and that is Magnemite Sportswoman, and the award goes to Ms. Garima Bed. We're waiting for Garima Bed. Hi! Have we met before the last time? I remember your name so vividly though, but congratulations. And
Thank you so much.
yeah, do you have some words to share?
I would like to thank RCC Magnum for bestowing me with this award. And sports has been a very important and loved part of my life. So this award is really special to me. And I would like to thank my team Phantom for all their support and motivation, and obviously my family, for supporting me always.
That's nice. And what sports do you play?
I play badminton, table tennis, and also I'm an athlete.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. And good luck. May you play a lot of sports, lots and lots of sports. I think sports binds a lot of people together. It also makes you feel very happy. So you are on the right path. And
Yeah, thank you
congratulations
so much.
again, Garima. Really nice to see you.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
All right, we move on to the next award. Magnemite captains. I think 3 of them are there, but I'm going to actually name all 4. Kunal Kicha, Anand Anchalia, Anurag Jhagra, Anil Bafna. Congratulations to all the 4 of you, out of whom 3 are present. Nobody's here. We're just waiting for them to come. They're not there? Okay, so I think the captains who have been awarded haven't come here for the show. So we move on to the next one. Magnemite Best Newcomer Award goes to Anoop. Mr. Anoop, congratulations.
Hi Shweta, you're doing great.
Hey, thanks. So sweet of you. Finally, someone said it.
Yes, of course.
Yes, Anoop. So, what do you do?
I work for an MNC and my dad runs a business. So, yes, of course.
Okay.
Both of these I handle.
Very nice. So, why do you think you got this Best Newcomer Award?
To be very honest, it came as a surprise. I got a call today and I was not expecting this, but it's a wonderful trophy. And I thank the committee members, all the board members to have recognized me for whatever contribution I did. But yes, it came as a very good surprise. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you very much for joining us, Anoop. And do participate in the rest of some of those questions and some little gala time that we'll have. Yes?
Of course, I'm connected. Thank you.
All
Thanks,
right.
thanks.
Thank you, Anoop, for joining us. And good luck for the rest of the year.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. So, we're going to move over. Okay. Console can get Nikhil. Nikhil ji, are you ready? Mr. Nikhil Jain. Audience, are you all ready to have Mr. Nikhil sing for us? Chat box, chat box. Yes, so everybody wants. Mr. Nikhil is also ready. Yes, Mr. Nikhil, we're going to have the first song of the evening by Mr. Nikhil Jain. Claps, claps, claps. Nikhil's always ready. Mr. Tarun Mutha, Mr. Vipul Mehta. Okay, Mr. Nikhil, please join the breakout room. Please join the breakout room so it becomes easier for us to just pin you. अरे निखिल जी ब्रेकआउट रूम में आइए सब आपके लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं सो प्लीज कम फास्ट नहीं निखिल जी कम ऑन he's not come. Okay. Mr. Nikhil, please come to the breakout room so that we can go ahead. But now, so there is a small quiz game that we're going to do. It's very simple, very easy. These are some Bollywood movie names and there are certain blanks. These are dialogues from Bollywood movies. You have to fill up those blanks. You should give me those words on the chat box. Not just that, also give me the name of the movie from which this particular dialogue has been taken. Yes, everybody ready? Whoever wants to sing come to the breakout room. You don't have to be nominated by anyone else. If you think you're a good singer, you want to sing, you think I just want to sing for my friends, please go ahead and come to the breakout room. All right. So we move on to the next. First PowerPoint, please. So this is just a trial because it's very simple. Yes? So the very first person who answers this question, so in a single message, your word and the name of the movie, that person will win. For example, this Meghna says Admi and Sholay, and that is the right answer. I think all of us know this. It's just a trial round. Actually, all of us will know everything. It's about how quickly you type and how quickly I get your names over here. All right? Okay, we move on to the next question. Okay, so we have the next question. All right, Rohit, movie. You have to give me both and the name of. Okay, Meghna, you still haven't given. Meghna, okay, so Meghna says, so Mr. Manish Jain, you haven't completed a Dost. You have to give it to me in a single. Om Shanti Om. Okay, Neha Mimani is the only one who wrote Picture, Dost and Om Shanti Om. All in one, as the first message. So your first winner is Miss Neha Mimani. Whoever is writing down, whoever is giving away the awards. Congratulations, Miss Neha. You won yourself a voucher. We move on to the next. All right, so I need both the blanks and I need the name of the movie all in one sentence, one message. All right, and the first answer is by Mr. Rishabh Jain. Congratulations, Mr. Rishabh Jain. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. From DDLJ. Congratulations, Mr. Rishabh Jain. आपने अभी जीता एक वाउचर वर्थ 500 rupees. Okay, now we move on to the next. Okay, so I need both the pictures. No? Okay, you all gave me Kutte Kamine, but what's the name of the movie? Really? Is it Sholay? Yes, the correct answer is by Anup. It is Dhara. It is Yadon Ki Barat. Congratulations, it's not Sholay. It is Yadon Ki Barat. It's just running. कुत्ते कमीने और उसके बाद आपने आंसर ही नहीं किया. कोई पूरा जवाब नहीं दे रहा है. You are either giving me one or the other. I need the whole thing. Very good. From Rahul Chalani. I think Mr. Rahul Chalani is given Kutte Khoon Yadon Ki Barat. So I think he deserves to get the award. Because everybody else said Sholay. It is not Sholay. And congratulations, Mr. Rahul Chalani. And now we will move on for the rest of the questions. We have a few more questions that you could answer. But do we have anybody in the breakout room? Nope. Mr. Nikhil Jain, you just backed out. Not fair. All right. So we move on to the next section, which is the introduction of the new Board of Directors team. And the very first are going to be the office bearers, and we have a beautiful video, and it's a very comical video because the theme tonight is war heroes, Superman and Spider-Man and Avengers and Star Wars, and we have a very beautiful theme set up today, and with superheroes. So I would like to introduce the superheroes of today, of tomorrow, of the entire year for RCC Magnum, and first set of office bearers.
Just like a movie, just like a storybook, we are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook. We'll take it all the way and live another day. We'll make a statement to the world that we're here to stay. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. Rising, champions or just the shooting stars? We'll put our courage to the test in the final hour. And do we stand tall and rise above it all? You know we're coming at your heart like a cannonball. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. This is where we'll save the day. When the lights go out, yeah, we'll stand our ground. You know where there's a will, there's a way, yeah. Just like a movie, just like a storybook, we are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook.
Congratulations to all the office bearers. It's really a pleasure to have you all, and such beautiful points about them. And some of them are funny, but some of them are very beautiful, and leadership skills are very important, and most of them have it. And that's what's very important for office bearers as such. And wishing you all a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. I think this is going to be another battlefield year, and there are going to be a lot of challenges, and I'm sure you're going to come out with flying colors. We move on to the next set, and this is going to be the Board of Directors, our first set of Board of Directors console.
Just like a movie, just like a storybook, we are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook. We'll take it all the way and live another day. We'll make a statement to the world that we're here to stay. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. Champions or just the shooting stars, we'll put our courage to the test in the final hour. And do we stand tall and rise above it all? You know we're coming at your heart like a cannonball. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. This is where we'll save the day. When the lights go out, yeah, we'll stand our ground. You know where there's a will, there's a way, yeah. Just like a movie, just like a storybook, we are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook. It's time to be the hero. Just like in a dream. are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook. It's time to be the hero.
Congratulations to the board of directors who have just been mentioned just now, and we move on to the next video, which has got the rest of the board of directors, and then we will congratulate them again towards the end. And those of you who still want to sing, who still want to participate, if you want to say a poetry, poem aapko batana ho ya kuch bhi, if there's anything that you want to showcase, please come to the breakout room, and we'll have some good time. Thank you. Next video, please.
Just like a movie, just like a storybook, we are the future, we're the ones they won't overlook. We'll take it all the way and live another day. We'll make a statement to the world that we're here to stay. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. Champions or just the shooting stars, we'll put our courage to the test in the final hour. And do we stand tall and rise above it all? You know we're coming at your heart like a cannonball. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. It's time to be the hero. We're the ones they won't overlook. It's time to be the hero.
congratulations to all the board of directors. I think it was very quirky, it was very beautiful, and I like that part where Mr. Vivek Chaudhary had mentioned that I'll put you on a trip to Thailand, and then the office will know that it's just a work trip. And I think that was amazing, and a lot of very, very quirky things are really there. It's very beautiful. And Mr. Anchali, I didn't get your first name, but I happen to see that you're a bathroom singer. If you would like to sing, you can also come to the breakout room. And Mr. Nikhil तो ran away from the breakout room. We pulled him there, but आप तो भाग ही गए. आप क्यों नहीं आए? किसी को तो गाना पड़ेगा आज. शुभ दिन है, शुभ अवसर है. कोई तो आना पड़ेगा. Come on. किसी को तो आना पड़ेगा. Come on. So people, come to the breakout room. Let's have some fun time because उसी से शुरुआत होता है. So let's start off the next segment. We'll wait for the breakout room. We go to the next segment, and this is one of the most beautiful segment, and I take pride and honor in introducing this person to you all. I'm sure some of you know, some of you may not know, I'm not very sure. But this person has come to India recently, has had a ton of exposure in the United States. He has worked super hard during his college days. He's extremely committed to his family, to his wife, to his daughter, to everyone. And I know him for many, many years now. He's a high achiever. He's extremely determined. He knows what he wants. He's a great decision taker, has fantastic leadership qualities. And the most beautiful part is there are so many events that I do, but nobody really talks about global warming being their theme or crux of the year for any kind of achievement. And he has included this along with women empowerment. And I, with a lot of humility and happiness, I introduce you all Varun Jain, the President of RCC Magnum 2021. Hi Varun.
Hi everybody. Lots of good wishes to all of you. Thanks for a very nice welcome, Shweta. Appreciate it, acknowledge it. It's my pleasure to have you here tonight. I want to welcome each and every one of you who have joined in from your homes, the delegates, the Magnumites, and other staff, office barriers. Thank you so much for joining in today. And not wasting much of your time, I would immediately kick off and let's get to know about the theme of the year. And then later I'll talk more. So, Kansul, can we have the theme of the year, please? So hope you all like the video. So basically the concept which I wanted to bring, right? In our community, we have always seen that, we have great achievers, but we don't have great appreciators, right? So the whole point which I wanted to bring in RCC, at least start from RCC Magnum, is celebrate each other wins. It could be our friends, it could be a family. If they achieve something in business, they achieve something in sports, they achieve something personally, right? We should always be happy in their happiness. And it's time we do that more knowingly and awareingly, and then it will help us to go a long way in life, right? So moving on, this year we would love to focus on two other important aspects. But before that, I just missed it. Yeah. So we do have an important initiative taken by our ladies wing. This time we are planning to open a world of knowledge for all of you in terms of an in-house library. So it will be for the members, by the members, and it will be driven by our ladies wing director Sonia J. So Console, can we have the AV please on MacBook? So it's a beautiful initiative which we wanted to start this year, right? When we go further during our term, our director Sonia Jain will talk more about it, and she will take this up for future. Moving on, another two initiatives which I was talking about. The first being the global warming. So let me talk something on the global warming first, right? Why it is the need of our for all of us to focus on, at least start thinking about it and actually do something about it. All across the world, in every kind of environment and region known to man, increasingly dangerous weather patterns and devastating storms are abruptly putting an end to a long-running debate, which is like climate change is real or not. It is not only real, it is here, and its effects are giving rise to a frighteningly new global phenomenon. And most of you should be aware of it. It is nothing but we made it, right? As a human, as a man, we made it as a natural disaster. So it is called as like man-made natural disaster now by proclaimed scientists, and it is called global warming. Console, let's play a AV on that as well, please. Welcome back. So, as we have seen in the video, how global warming has affected us so far, and how we could do our bit, to help Earth uh, get its path back to recovery. Moving on, let's move. The second cause which we would love to focus on this year is it's nothing but women empowerment. Let me spare a few lines for you guys on that. So, I believe nations that invest in women's employment, health, and education are just more likely to have better outcomes. Their children will have a healthier and better education. So this is just not the right thing for all of us, to hold on such powerful women, but to support them and encourage them and involve them wherever we could, right? It's actually a need of an hour for all of us, and also for an India as a country to grow. I would love to showcase a small AV on that as well. Console, can I have the AV, please?
Once upon a time, in a country bustling with opportunity, a baby girl is born, a tiny princess to her adoring family. While she is treasured and protected by all who love her, her story won't unfold as the simple fairy tale they would like it to be. This is my story, and the story of women everywhere. It's the story of women taking control of their own destinies, women of courage, passion, persistence, innovation, compassion, and determination. It's about those who dare to break barriers. It's no easy task taking the road less traveled, but at the end of the day, the appreciation is worth it. Remember, the most interesting stories are not of those who had it easy. We rise, we fall. But what's important is that we find our inner strength and stand tall. Women, know your value. Wear your crown. Write your own story.
Let me unmute it. So can you all join your hands along with me to, just appreciate all around wonderful women around us, mother, daughter, sister, right? They have doctors, everyone, right? Those have done so much for us so far. And I wish them in advance happy Mother's Day for all the mothers in our club, which they will be celebrating tomorrow. Shweta, I'm done here. I'll come back and do my thanks to all the other team members later. Can you take the console from here from me, please?
Yes, Varun. Thank you very much. I'm just here. I'm waiting for myself to appear. Hello, everybody, and I'm back. Varun, these are great initiatives. Congratulations and my best wishes to you and your team, and for the rest of RCC Magnum for taking such lovely initiatives and seeing it through. And I'm sure you will. Such lovely animated videos, and it had a lot of emotion attached to it. And I think this is the beginning of a great start, a great year, and a great looking forward for Magnum RCC. We move on to the oath taking by the team. Can we have the oath taking video, please?
Sally here. I hereby initiate the oath taking proceedings.
I do solemnly affirm that I will faithfully execute the office of the President,
the Secretary,
the Treasurer,
the Vice President,
Joint Secretary,
Director of Ladies Wing,
Director of Editorial,
Director of Entertainment,
Director of Attendance,
the Director of Entertainment,
Director of Sports,
Director of Entertainment, the HRD Director,
Director of Entertainment,
Director of Project,
Director of Fundraising,
Foundation Treasurer, to Director of RCC Magnum,
and will,
to the best of my ability,
serve as a living example
of this organization's
philosophy and belief,
and will uphold
and enforce the Constitution
of this organization
at all times, and that at all times
I shall contribute to the furtherance of the objective
of the association,
and that during my term
I will faithfully and impartially discharge
the responsibilities of the office. Thank you.
Congratulations to you all and welcome back. अपना टाइम आएगा किसी के लिए टाइम आ रहा है अभी and I would love to invite Mr. Vipul Mehta to present with us a beautiful number. All of you please stay back and किसी को अपलोड करना है तो यहाँ पे आप चैट बॉक्स में क्लैप टाइप कीजिए. Yes, thank you very much. Vipul, can we have you here please?
Hi guys.
Hello Mr. Vipul.
Great to hear all of you. Let me just. Okay,
कैसे
so
आप?
hope everyone's doing well.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing very well.
Yes, Mr. Vipul. So, how was the evening today?
Well, it's been amazing. I think the videos, the presentation, everything looks amazing.
Yes, absolutely. So, Vipul, we are waiting for your wonderful song. Go ahead.
So I think it goes with the theme. In fact, अपना time आएगा, सबका time आएगा. If everyone wants to join along singing, I'll be more than happy. But here it goes. कौन बोला मुझसे ना हो पाएगा. उठ जा अपनी राख से तू उठ जा अब तलाश में परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा. आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा. ये शब्दों का जाला मेरी बेड़ी अब पिघलाएगा. जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो पाएगा. ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है घर को भी सताएगा. जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा. अब हौसले से जीने दे अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में. हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम कामयाबी छीनेंगे. सब कुछ मिला पसीने से मतलब अब जीने में क्यों क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा. That's it.
Wow, that was wonderful, wonderful, wonderful performance. Please आप सब तालियां बजाइए लेकिन आपको टाइप करना पड़ेगा तालियों का ये spelling. Okay, you can have clap, applaud. I think it was awesome. What a fantastic rapping. हम कभी नहीं कर पाते. How well did you do it? How long did you take to prepare for this?
Just one wedding, that's it.
Just one wedding. शादी में हो गया.
Yeah, I sang it. शादी में संगीत में सब कर डाला.
अच्छा, आपकी शादी हो गई?
हो गया.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Vipul. Do you want to sing one more song for us?
I think I'll leave it up to other people to sing.
Yes, if anybody
we're
else
just
wants
getting
to sing,
started.
please do come to the breakout room. It would be wonderful. But thank you very much, Vipul, for joining with us today. And congratulations and good luck for the rest of the year. Okay, we move on to one last quiz question on Bollywood. This is your time to win an award and your Amazon voucher. So next question, console please. Oh, this is a very famous dialogue. Yes, names. Okay, and I think we have Mr. Nitesh. I need all three. I need all of them. Gadi, Bangla, Paisa, Ma, Diwar, Mr. Vinod Jyoti, Gundecha. Congratulations. Mr. Vinod Jyoti, Gundecha, congratulations. You got the right answer and the answer is Gadi, Bangla, Paisa and Ma and the film's name is Diwar. Thank you very much everybody for participating in this quick quizzes. I would like to call upon Mr. Sahil Sakaria to give us the vote of thanks. And he's the secretary. Congratulations, Mr. Sahil.
The secretary of RCC Magnum take this opportunity to present the vote of thanks. The honorable council members, our most valued invited guests from all clubs, my dear Magnumites and everyone present here today, a big heartfelt thank you for attending this ceremony tonight. We would like to express our gratitude and thank Mr. Shyam from Epix Event Management Company and his team for organizing this amazing event. Ms. Shweta, thank you for hosting this event and making it lively and fun session from all of us. The installation team did a commendable job. All their hard work for this one of a kind event deserve an applaud from all of us. The board of members for all the support. A special thank you to Mr. Arav Kumbhat for his excellent performance on Ganesh Vandana. Finally, I thank each one of you who have helped us in making this event successful one. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sahil Sakaria, aka Robin. It was a wonderful thank you note, and congratulations on your secretaryship for this year, and all the best to you. I would like to call back Mr. Varun Jain to say us a few words. Mr. Varun?
I'm here. So I think this is the last part of the event where I would love to thank few key members, right? Without them, we would have not pulled out this amazing show. And the first one goes Neha Sakaria, right? She has been the pillar of the strength right from the start. She's been my working secretary along with Sahil. Amazing job, Neha. Without you, it's not possible to do something like this, right? Second, I would love to thank Spice Club for helping us with the food. I hope everyone received the food package. Everything was custom made for us, right? The packing and everything. So I share my gratitude as well as thanks to Spice Club. All the dignitaries who have been present here, stick to the show until last 90 odd members, right? That's a great number for our club if you really see. And then Shyam from Epic's management team, this show would have been not possible without you and your team. Shweta for hosting the show so beautifully and gracefully, engaging and helping us out with the best show which we could put up today. And last but not the least, my family who have been bearing me, not giving any time from last 2 weeks, right? So thank you so much everyone for joining today. And I look forward for all your support on all our initiatives which we plan to do this year. Thank you so much again.
Thank you very much, Varun. It was wonderful to see you. Though I know it is online, it's wonderful to see you. And thank you everyone for this wonderful evening. I think I had a great time. It was a great 1 hour. And we'll have to thankfully close up. Stay safe. I know the lockdown begins from Monday. Even if tomorrow is not a lockdown, please take care, double mask yourselves, and do not ever let your guard down. And I wish from the bottom of our hearts that we all meet post on the other side of this pandemic. Good night and have a great Saturday night. Thank you. Done. I'm going.